Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms coming back. Today we're going to do a video about a Sportsman's Guide order that I did. I first would like to let you know I am not sponsored. I don't have any sponsors. Nobody told me to do this video. I'm doing it. Try to help you guys out with some things. This is a Sportsman's Guide order that I had back ordered since August 4th of 2020. It is 1,000 rounds of Wolf 9mm. This is steel case, 115 grain, full metal jacket. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Now, as you guys know, if you've probably been paying attention, the Russian ammo, which is your Wolf, Silver Bear, Tula, Wolf Gold, stuff like that, has the WPA has just been banned by the Biden administration. That was part of their sanctions they put together to try to, I really don't know what they were trying to do, because they're not hurting Russia, they're more hurting people here, because as you know, with this cheaper ammunition coming in, not just this and steel case, but the brass that comes in from these countries too, like your Red Army standards, mostly steel case too. But with the cheaper ammunition, it has a tendency to push the prices down of some of the other manufacturers here. So when they do something like that that's really not affecting Russia at all, but it's mostly us, then that kind of is a head scratcher. It makes you wonder, what's the real motivation there? But the reason I like Sportsman's Guide, there's a lot of reasons, but number one reason is when I ordered this, it was, I believe, 18 cents a round, this ammunition, and I put in a back order for this stuff. Now, Sportsman's Guide does not charge you at the time that you do the back order. So I bought this on 4Pay, which I use 4Pay for most all of my orders with Sportsman's Guide. I mean, a lot of times I don't. This I probably didn't need to, but I went ahead and did it anyway, because this was part of a lot larger order that I had. So what they do is they'll break the order up whenever these items come in, and they will bill you in a 25%, usually with the sales tax involved, of the order at the time it ships. With Sportsman's Guide, you do have a membership fee. You don't have to be a member to shop there, but if you do, you get a larger discount. So I think their membership is $46 a year, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that. It's under $50. You'll get your buyer's discount on everything you get. A lot of times it includes free shipping and things like that. So this was well, here I've got the bill. I'll show you right here. It was $180.48 for 1,000 rounds, plus sales tax, because Georgia's, where I live, charges sales tax, so it's $12.64. This is package protection, which I get all the time. So my total was $194.11. So when they shipped this ammo, this right here, the 5871, is what I was billed. And then here I'll have 3 more payments of $45.12. Zero interest, 4Pay system, which is great. I love it. I've been using Sportsman's Guide for a little over 10 years now. I always use their 4Pay, especially for ammunition, because I do buy a lot of ammunition. And it's for anybody working on a budget, to aside from buying a couple boxes here, a couple boxes there, when you can find it, this is by far the best way to do it that I've found, is to use the 4Pay system, something like this. You get it, You get your ammo in, and you've built your stockpile, and you can build over time. I said this is 1,000 rounds, and they honored the price of what I bought it for, which was 18 cents a round, and shipped and everything. It's 19.4 cents a round. So I don't believe you're going to find this ammo anywhere for that right now. So with that being said, let me tell you how their back order system works. I know I told you some of it, but when I back ordered this, like I said, it's been over a year. About every couple of months, you'll get an email from Sportsman's Guide, and they will update if there's a problem. You know, it's going to be pushed back past what they expected the date would be that you would have this. They'll ask you, would you like to keep this item? If you want to keep it, you just, click on the keep item, and they'll go ahead and keep it. No, doesn't cost you anything still. So I've had 2 or 3 of those with just this order that's come in and said, hey, would you like to keep this item? Now you have to tell them, yes, I want to keep it, because if you don't respond to it, they're just going to cancel your order. So I've had to do that a couple times. The last one I got said that the expected ship date on this was going to be the end of November. I think it was the 21st of November, 2021. And then I got a email earlier this week, I believe it was Monday, and they said, hey, your order's shipping, and we charged your card the $58.71. And it had the order number there, but the order number is an old order number, so I wasn't 100% sure what that was. So I logged back in, looked over my orders, and I saw, oh, good, it's my 9mm. So they sent it. I do the, I believe it's the three day or 3 to 5 day shipping. I think is what I do. It costs you $5 if you want to pay. The free shipping is usually 7 days or something, but I like to get it a little faster, so I don't mind spending the $5. So I also used a discount code for this. Saved me $20 off the price of it. If you want the discount code, 704 Tactical, he has a discount code. I'm pretty sure you'll have to go follow him to find out what his discount code is. War Poet or Warrior Poet, Poet Warrior, whatever his name is, he's got one as well. And then the one that I use is from SensiblePrepper. That's Such over at over there. He does a lot of gun reviews, a lot of prepper videos, a lot of gear reviews, and he's excellent. So if you want to follow him, he also has a discount code, and that's the one that I use. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You need to go follow him if you want to know, and he'll tell you, because I'm pretty sure he'd probably get mad at me if I told you what his discount code was. So, but Sportsman's Guide is great, especially for anyone at all, but especially if you're working on a budget and you want to build a stockpile of ammunition. Ammunition is expensive. It's always been, as long as I've been shooting, it's always been expensive, even when it's cheap. So if you want to shoot a lot, splitting up your order like that, you get your 1,000 rounds, you've paid a quarter of what it usually costs. It's here at your house, and you can go ahead and pay into it, and it breaks it down. It makes it a lot easier for a lot of people. They don't just do this on ammunition either. Sportsman Guide has pay, I believe, on everything that they sell. Now, I could be wrong, but they have had pay on everything I've ever bought from them. I've bought hunting equipment, I've bought stands, I've bought camouflage gear, I've bought boots, I've bought the last few pairs of my shoes from them. And I've bought some guns too. They also do pay on guns. So most of the time, the things I buy from them are lowers. As you've seen on some of my other videos, I've done some Anderson lowers with the lower parts kits installed. They're around, I think right now they're on sale. They're $102 for the Anderson lower with the parts kit installed. Those do pays as well. any of the guns on there. So if you guys are looking for a way to get a gun, it's going to be shipped to you. You'll have your 4 payments. You'll make one up front. You'll have 3 more, 0 interest. Sportsman's Guide may be a wonderful tool for you to use. So you guys go check them out, see if they got something you like. Like I said, the 4-pay makes this extremely affordable. And don't be afraid to back order something, guys. If you see it, if you like the price, do it, because Sportsman's Guide 100, I can say this 100%. I've bought a lot of ammunition from them. I've back ordered a lot. They will honor the price, whatever it was. No matter how much this stuff is right now, they're going to give it to you for what you said you would buy it for, and they said they would sell it to you for. So keep that in mind. This really is a wonderful tool for you guys. So check them out. And I say, if you like our videos, we really would appreciate the like and subscribe. We'll bring more of this out to you in the future. And we appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot.